are you?
I don't know. Who are you?
Well, my name is Chauncey Figglehuggin.
Well, my name is Bill.
Do you want to have a duel?
Sure.
How did we get here? I don't know. How the heck did we get here? That's weird. Whatever. Whatever, I'm going back to the other plane.
Yeah, me too. Let's go. See ya.